Howdy everyone. Today we're gonna be creating a super simple Instagram bot with Python. Now, this is a beginner tutorial, so even if you don't have a ton of coding experience, you should be able to follow along and create your own bot when we're done. We'll start off by downloading the necessary resources, including Python and PIP, which is a library of modules that enables us to create our bot. Then we will go over the code in depth, breaking it down line by line, so you understand what everything is doing and how it works. We'll also make sure to go over how to make sure your bot is secure and won't get flagged by Instagram. Once we have the code in place, we'll install an emulator, which helps to simulate your bot automatically sending messages and liking posts on Instagram. The last thing we'll do is make a few tweaks to the code for special cases, such as if you want to search for posts with certain tags, or send messages with images. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functioning Instagram bot that's ready to be used. You can use it to increase your following, automatically respond to messages, or anything else you can think of. Grab a snack and join me as we dive into building an Instagram bot with Python.